Hi, first graders. Okay, so this week we are doing social studies during your social studies science block. You're going to click on the Studies Weekly button, and you are looking for week 31. So when you click on that button, yours is going to look a little different than mine. It's going to have your science and your social studies newspapers. You want to click on social studies, and then you're going to click on the bottom option. It's going to say week 31. Okay, so week 31. And any of them that aren't complete, you can do those too. But this week is all about transportation over time. You're going to listen to each of the articles here and learn about how transportation has changed over time, over the course of history. Now, you know me, I like when you do things at least twice. So you have all week to go through all of the articles, listen to them all, and probably listen to them again. I would listen to them once every day, to be honest. Social studies and science is all about research and studying is reviewing material a couple times. You're also going to have some activities here, like a crossword puzzle and a test. I would do the activities and save the test for Friday after you've studied all week long. That's what I would do. Okay, remember week 31 and have a great rest of your week.